What's up, guys? It's Chris from Driven VW. We're heading over to Glendale. You guys know me as Driven 60 VW on Instagram and Facebook. I'm part of the Desert Dubs Arizona Volkswagen Club. Today, Saturday, we're driving over to the west side of Phoenix and we're dropping off a bunch of gifts for a family in need. Every year, our car club actually will purchase a bunch of gifts for a family and then we hand deliver them to them. So we've got Phil and Andy with us. Half the other club is they're actually at a Christmas parade on the east side of Phoenix. So follow us as we go over here and drop these presents off, and we'll make it happen for you guys. Stay tuned. I forget how small your bus is, like. What's up? How are you? Good.
Good morning, sir. How you doing? So the lesson learned is if you come up with an idea, you've got to be ready to do it, right? So we just decided, hey, we're going to gather up toys and bring them kids at Christmas time. But we didn't know where we were going to do it. We didn't know when or how. And then I met Fred Court's wife, Susan, at this event. She said, well, I have some connections. It'll be a school. And let's just give it a try. So we just created this crazy name, the Beep and Beetle and Bus Christmas Parade for Kids, because there's not a kid in the world that doesn't love the sound of a beep and beetle, right? Or a bus. And here we are 14 years later. But it was what's happened.
One other cool thing we do as a club is we all carry these walkie-talkies. So that way when we're in a big, long group of people, we can stay up with each other. So we'll keep these with us. It keeps our hands free, although, you know, my hands are never free. I'm always trying to document everything, but this helps us stay in communication versus text messaging. And we have these all as part of a club. It's pretty cool. And we know this guy right here. He's the picture taker all the time. See, there he is. Already getting down and getting after the pictures. Definitely got to get it. He always takes pictures of Dana and Alicia all the time. He loves the pictures. What's up? How are you?
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Morning, sir. And team, Phil and Janet and others, they adopted the Hernandez.
Told you, Andy, to be good for Christmas, and you didn't listen, so I sent Santa here. You do this. What's up, guys? We're out here with Andy, Desert Dubs, and Phil with his mouth open. He always likes bananas and stuff in his mouth. I don't know why, but everywhere we go with Phil, he opens his mouth up. Every single time. But I think he wants a banana in his mouth.
There's no bananas.
Every single time. And we have all these gifts, and we didn't bring anything to bring him in, so I don't know what we're going to do. So let's go.